Dear graduation students of FC Batch 2021, congratulations. Fashion Communication Specialized started at Mumbai Center in 2004 to strengthen the communication design industry. Department has always believed in the divergent thinking and learning. The course is equipped with all necessary skill and knowledge required for industry. Students train in the areas of graphic design, fashion creatives, fashion thinkings, space design and related subjects have proved their own worth in the industry. Students are always trained in the integrated course are versatile combinations of subject in the communication design. Infinite Ideas, the show of Fashion Communication Department of NIF Mumbai aptly explain the multifaceted personas of students trained in the integrated course of communication design. Their creative skill along with the problem-solving attitude have made them stand out in the crowd. This year, 47 talented and confident young graduates are displaying their work done in the different areas of the communication design. And one would readily agree that show is aptly called the Infinite Ideas. I, Vinesh Tapre, on this occasion of graduation show of Department of Fashion Communication, I like to welcome Professor Dr. Pawan Godiwala, Director NIF Mumbai. Sir, thank you for your kind presence. I also welcome faculty officers of NIF Mumbai, FC's chairperson, industry members, alumni, guest faculty, department students, faculty of department from the other campus and parents and graduating students. I like to invite Chairperson of Fashion Communication Department, Dr. Professor Vibhavi Kumar ma'am, to share her thoughts.
Dear graduating students, it's that time of the year again when another batch of young design professionals are ready to step out to revitalize their journey. I extend my hearty congratulations and best wishes to the FC graduates of 2021 to excel in the chosen field of work. The rapid moving fashion business space, especially post pandemic, is throwing open a plethora of exciting avenues in related communication design domains, primarily focusing on experiential design. As Swami Vivekananda said, educate and raise the masses, and thus alone a nation is possible. The Department of Fashion Communication, popularly referred to as FC, has facilitated a learning environment where fashion thinking, analytical ability, and creative aptitude is nurtured in great detail through the use of appropriate language, visual thinking, moving images, and digital experiences. You have been empowered with knowledge in design applications, new technologies, theory, and global business practice, and how these skills are synthesized in the fashion design industry, making you a well-rounded and most sought-after design professional in the industry. To the graduating batch of 2021, you would always be special to us, and I hope these unique circumstances give you resilience and inspire you to make a world a better place. I must confess, it is the glint in the eyes of your parents that actually makes us feel both happy and proud. It reaffirms the faith what we're doing towards society. Thank you for giving us this proud moment. And finally, you have graduated now. It's time to party all night. Wish you all the best. Jai Hind.
Students have completed their journey of last 4 years, guided at each stage by faculty mentors. I would like to request them to share experience and message to graduating students. Now I would like to invite the department faculty members to say a few words.
I take deep pride in this FC batch of students as they embark upon their journey in this ever-changing and evolving world with disruptive change, where technology and sustainability engage together. Our young representatives have been groomed and polished over 4 years of rigorous training to become masters in their chosen fields. Walking on a rough path, sailing through tough situations, facing unexpected challenges in the journey with a brave heart and a creative hand, hard work and patience, they illustrated their work with innovative tools and techniques. I appreciate all their efforts and feel proud to mention that this collection of their work is only a trailer to demonstrate what these young designers are capable of, in a hope that it pushes the boundaries of all that you thought was absolute. I'm confident that our newest cap of NIFT alumnus will be brave, resilient, and creative leader in their future endeavors. Congratulations to the class of 2021. Live your life to the fullest. Make the most out of each opportunity and always have a curious and open mind. All the best.
Fashion communication is a very versatile course, and the students get to choose their graduation projects from different topics, different subjects. In fact, the students are known in the industry for their versatility. So it would not be wrong to call the graduation projects of fashion communication students the amalgamation of infinite ideas. Every year we get to see different types of projects, new ideas, and their culmination. I wish the passing out batch very best for their future endeavor. Thank you.
Class of 2021, you completed college in the midst of global pandemic. No doubt your life was disrupted. No doubt there was added stress. Despite these challenges, more accurately, because of these challenges, you are stronger now. Believe in yourself as I believe in you. This is a huge step towards your future, and I can't wait to see what becomes of it. I hope you all will come back. Visit us, call us, and share your news and hard-won wisdom. Stay connected, be humble, be curious, and be yourself. Success will always follow if you are passionate. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you all. FC Mumbai always have great support from industry as a guest faculty in FC department. I request you share your views and convey best wishes to graduation class of 2021. We welcome Ms. Yashni Kothari, fashion stylist and founder of Alpino brand. Mr. Sitesh Patwardhan, filmmaker. I also welcome Yogesh Jahangirdar, graphic designer. I would like request our guest faculty to share their experience with students.
Hi everyone, finally the day has come. Congratulations Group A and Group B, batch of 2017. The hard work that you all put in, the 4 years that you've gone through has finally given you results. Thank you for having me as a part of your journey. It's been my pleasure. The interactions that I've had with you guys, the teaching that I've done, as little as it may have been, has been a great experience, and I hope it was the same for you. I hope and I wish that all of you have a pleasant, successful journey ahead of you. I know that all of you will be doing very well in the industry. I know that each one of you will scale heights and get amazing results. I'm just here to say congratulations and all the best. I will be on the other side of the table. I'm not saying farewell, I'm saying welcome to the industry. I hope our paths cross soon and I meet you in the industry not just as my students but my colleagues. Thank you and all the best.
Hi everyone. First of all, congratulations to both the groups of batch 2017 for the graduation. I'm so glad to see this, and I'm very happy right now, wishing you all, the best of luck in the journey. I could be, as a teacher, a very small part of your journey, but that small time which I have spent with you is a great time, and I will always cherish that time with you all. As a teacher, not only I have taught you something, but also I have learned many things from you, and that's a great thing. Industry is going to get a lot of talent in your form, and I'm so very happy that we will be working together. Maybe we will be working together in the field tomorrow, maybe we will be meeting in industry to each other tomorrow, and I'm very glad to know that. I wish you all the very best for your upcoming journey. I know you are going to do well and you are going to excel in your life the way you have done in your curriculums, and I'm hoping to see you on those heights somewhere down the line, and let's hope to work together. So congratulations once again, and have a great time ahead. Best of luck.
Hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and happy, enjoying your life. I am Yogesh Jahagirdar, one of your guest faculty. I congratulate all of you for successfully completing your graduation. You are that batch of 2021 pass out, and you will be remembered for years to come. And the reason all of us know, it has been very tough year for all of us last 1.5 year, and it is said that when going gets tough, tough gets going. All of you have proved it very successfully. So I congratulate you on your very grand success of this graduation. Now time has come to say goodbye. So I am saying goodbye to all of you till we meet again. Why I am saying till we meet again? I am sure professionally we will definitely meet in our future. So till then, goodbye and thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Welcome all. This is Sushmita Das, Associate Professor, Fashion Communication Department. Infinite Ideas, the e-book of Fashion Communication Department, is an effort to showcase the hard work and the creative skills of the students in various avenues of communication design. This book will always remind us of those 47 young students who, in spite of these days of new normal, crossed their boundaries of limitations to achieve the best. I would request our Director Sir, Professor Dr. Pavan Godiawala, to kindly inaugurate the e-book.
Congratulations to the student for FC GP ebook.
Thank you, sir, for this inspiring word for students. The students of FC chosen areas as a part of graduation project for specialization. Visual communications, space design, fashion styling, photography, fashion journalism. As per external jury, 3 best projects are selected for award in the different categories. The categories in which awards are given as follow: Best GP Award 1, Best GP Award 2, Best Innovative Project Award, and 1 award from FC Department, Best GP Video Display Award. May I now invite Director NIFT to announce name of the awardees and different categories with a message to graduating students.
Graduation Award 2021 for Fashion Communication Department. The nominees for Best Graduation Project are Avinash Khandwe, Gaurav Singh, Deepshika Shitole, and Saloni Mapeskar. The first award for the Best Graduation Project goes to Deepshika Shitole, and the second award for the Best Graduation Project goes to Miss Saloni Mapeskar. For the Most Innovation Graduation Project award goes to again Deepshika Shitole. Nominees for the Best Display awards are Adresh Kamal Sen and Rama Kulkarni. The award goes to Rama Kulkarni.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring message. I am sure these motivating words will always be them and keep motivating them in future. I would also like to show 5 best video presentation of our students: Deepshika Shitole, Saloni Mapsekar, Rama Kulkarni, Adresh Kamal Sen, and Suryatapa Das.
Graduation project at Pixelart Labs, Hyderabad. Company profile. Pixelart Lab is a world-class art outsourcing studio founded in 2016. It offers a full range of game art and animation service across multiple platforms. Some of the clients are Riot Games, Tencent, Zynga, and Social Point. Project overview. As an outsourcing studio, Pixelart Lab is equipped with various clients and projects with different art style requirements. The employees have to adapt to different styles provided in the brief by the client in order to work on the project. I like to brief 3 sections in this video. Section 1 includes work I've done on the GSN games. Section 2 includes other projects, and Section 3 includes practice work. Section 1, GSN games. GSN delivers social casino and skill-based games to the player. The company approached Pixelart Labs for designing several games with their concept, elaborating on UX/UI, theme, characters, assets of the game. Client brief. So the client brief is a document. It can be in the form of PDF, which is provided by the client to the company in order to provide the information about the project. The client brief usually consists of concept brief, number of items required for the game, style guide, and stages of work. Workflow. First, I'll start by understanding the brief provided by the client. Then I'll study the fundamentals which I can use on the particular asset or an illustration. Then I'll start researching and I'll try to find reference images which are close to the subject, and I'll create a mood board. After creating a mood board, I'll start with sketches. I'll generate different ideas for my sketch using this mood board. Then after a sketch is finalized, we'll move on to the color key. We'll provide the client usually with 2 or 3 color keys because color plays a very important role in reflecting the mood of the game. After the color key is selected, I'll move to the final render. For rendering, I'll have to understand the material which I'm rendering, and I'll have to paint the asset with full detail. Here you can see some of the projects that I've worked on. Section 2. I worked the most on the GSN team. However, I was provided with the opportunity to work under different teams in between the project to experience various kind of work. Here are some of the work that I like to share. Section 3. When I was not equipped with production work, I worked on my fundamentals and understanding to improve and perform better in upcoming projects. During this time, I used to get feedback from scene artists, which helped me in understanding the quality of the content required. Here are some studies which I did during my spare time in the company. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
The global pandemic has affected the lives of everyone. Approximately 15 lakh schools have been shut, and the transition to screen is overwhelming for kids with learning differences.
Good evening. What are you?
Stuti Yadav from Bangalore is currently studying in 4th grade. Unlike other kids of her age, who are 2 years ahead of her, it has been difficult for her to cope up with the academics, especially in the pandemic. To further help her with her learning disabilities, her parents have newly subscribed to Tactopus services. Let's see how that goes.
I am fine. What you're doing? I'm playing with you. I'm playing with you.
In such times, what is making learning fun for children like Stuti are educators like Meena and Shilpa.
I'm Shilpa, and I'm a speech therapist. Work that has to be done prior to the sessions. And Google is the only option that I have currently. I've not come across any other apps or, the other resource materials because we have to concentrate on the family also. But that's the profession, you have to deal with it.
We had one design challenge. How might we help Tactopus to simplify communication catering to needs of educators and parents? For next 16 weeks, I worked with Tactopus to do the user research to create a digital product for them.
Even I think you have done really good job. Everything is included.
I built this project from scratch, be it making the wireframes, conducting user interviews, or pixel perfecting the interfaces. Introducing Tactopus Connect, making education in therapy sessions accessible, trackable, and fun. This wasn't just a project for me, but a way to truly pursue my passion, designing for play and learn.
Graduation Project 2021 interned at Hupple. Conceptualizing ideas and enhancing brand values via motion and graphics. In the span of 4 months, projects were done in the fields of motion graphic design, packaging design, and visual identity design. Motion graphic design. Motivation is an animated short which I created. Scan the QR code to check out the animation. La Aromas is an aromatherapy brand. These are the packaging designs created for the company. Visual identity design, Client 1, GLT. An entire brand identity was created for this company. Client 2, CNS Clinic. Client 3, Smile Correct. Client 4, Hustle 24/7 Gym. Client 5, Dental Clinic.
Through the Fashion Glass, my short 4-month beautiful journey at Akaro. Akaro is a continuously growing sustainable brand and it experiments with Indian textiles to create an expression of relevance in an ecosystem that is vast, varied and global. We target urban men and women who are educated, aware and exposed to the world and are 30 years and above. Our personality is modern, geometric, minimal, elegant, yet simple. My main scope of design is impact of social media presence, importance of online retailing, and how COVID-19 affected online retail. The problems are huge blow on design apparel sector, knee-jerk reaction for garment brands, and dire situation for manufacturing units. My main roles in the company are UI UX, graphic design, videography, and photography. My main objectives are increase engagement of customers at our social media, increase reach through online presence, improves brand imagery, and increase sale. Over here, you'll get to see how I edit my videos in this particular software named Filmora, and then how I click my photographs. For that, you need to research for location, create mood boards, choose the right makeup, set the perfect lighting, and shoot. Followed by my basic ideations and explorations for my UI UX projects and my graphic design projects. And finally, when research meets the finishing line. These are a few videos of Lubhanshi. Then DT at Baaton Baaton mein, Surbhi Gupta, then I've added the gift cards, calendar, poster, and the newsletters, followed by the 3 photography projects I did with Lubhanshi, Mukta Singh, and Surbhi Gupta. Because of my sudden halt in GP, I had created these 2 collateral projects, which shows a very minimal coffee table book and an app for my brand itself. So finally, the 3 main things that I learned at Akaro are how to manage time, be patient, and pay attention to detail. So that's it. Thank you for watching. You have been a great audience. This is Adri Sen, batch 1721, signing out.
I am Surya Das. I have done my graduation project in graphic and visualization design with Lapolo. Lapolo is a media house based in Delhi. In the company, the previous visual designs for Polo and their sister brand Wedding Asia were made by the same person for a long time, which is why the design elements were getting repeated again and again everywhere. So they were looking for someone who can come up with new approach to design visuals, and also someone can incorporate catchy illustrations for helping build brand stories more attractive. My objective was to fill that gap, to visualize and design more brighter, aesthetically relevant and eye-catching visuals and editorials for making brands to be more strong and trustworthy in the polo and the luxury wedding industry worldwide. I have done mainly 4 projects with them. First, Lapolo Promotions. Second was live project with the monthly and weekly tournaments. Third was for the huge event, the very first, the Indian Polo Award. And fourth, for their sister brand, for their editorials and promotions. These 16 weeks of working with Lapolo has taught me a lot about how the industry works. This experience provided me with a better understanding of an organization and its functioning. Lastly, I must mention the completion of my graduation project couldn't have been possible without the assistance of so many amazing people. I'm grateful to NIFT First for providing me with the opportunity to do an internship with Lapolo. My heartfelt thanks goes to my mentor, Mrs. Vandana ma'am, and also to our CC Vinesh sir, who have been always beside us for any sort of guidance needed. I would like to thank Ms. Shivani Joshi too for being an amazing and so friendly mentor and teaching me so much, along with the rest of the team for their guidance and feedback. I thank everyone for being a part of this wonderful journey and helping me succeed.
Thank you for the awards. I'd like to congratulate everyone on graduation. Being a student of NIF Mumbai was a very unprecedented experience indeed. The teaching style, the lectures, the presentation, the juries, everything was so practical. It really helped me in developing my set of skills, and it provided me with exposure which was very helpful in the industry. I'd say that I missed Resource Center as it was very helpful with my assignments and even with my personal interest. Also, really grateful for the equipments that were always provided to us in the department, even in the Resource Center. I never felt the lack of resources whenever I was in the campus. I'm a very lucky student of FC department. Being able to be taught by such experienced faculties was a privilege. I would also like to thank the CC of FC department, Mr. Vinay sir, and my internship mentor, Mrs. Vandana ma'am. Even during this pandemic situation, they made the communication very clear and they were helpful all the time. They were available to us for any inquiries. So I'm really grateful for their guidance.
Hi everyone, I am Saloni Mapsekar and I'm truly honored today to get this award and graduate from the batch of 2021. A huge congratulations to everyone who has graduated today. We have made this far in middle of a pandemic and I can't be more proud of all of us. I think the past 4 years just went into a blink of an eye, and before we could realize, we are working as full-time designers. And this just makes me question, when did we grow so much, right? Anyway, I still crystal clearly remember the first time I stepped into a lift. I was so awestruck with the interiors. It just made me feel like, will I be able to survive here with the competition the National Institute might have to offer? But contrary to my belief, people here were so welcoming and approachable. From the academics department to my very own fashion communication department, everyone made me feel at home. The guided light throughout my journey were my faculty members, who were always there for me with their own sets of expertise. Be it Sushma Satwal ma'am, Vandana ma'am, Sushmita ma'am, or our jolly good Vinesh Tapre sir, who had been an amazing CC for past 4 years and my mentor. I am truly grateful to be able to learn from them in this time. We were also the first guinea pig batch who faced the curriculum change. I found this as one of the biggest pros and cons for my own self. I was able to explore so much, learn so many new languages, practice Latin dance and whatnot. It just feels like this entire journey was full of ups and downs. I was personally a girl who had cried right after my jury and self-doubted whether designing would be a right career option for me or not. So hey, if you are confused as well, it's alright. With time, things will fall into place. Don't worry. You should rather just believe in the process and not focus on the outcome. That is what has personally worked for me. I technically found my niche in designing for children and advocating for education. That is why my graduation project was reimagining special education, which holds very personal to me. NIFT did not just give me a degree, but a bunch of people, rather gem of people I would say, I'll cherish for my lifetime. My friends and my roommates who stayed rock solid throughout this journey. This dream would have just stayed a dream if it wasn't my parents and my brother who have been my greatest mentor and supporter, cheerleader throughout this. I am genuinely grateful to be able to get this award today and have an opportunity to speak in front of you all, though I would have preferred if we were personally, physically together in a space, but that's all right. This is the new normal we have to live with. Thank you so much, and I can't wait ahead for what things are there for me. So this is just the start. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So thank you again. Congratulations to all of you.
Hi everyone. It's an absolute honor to be accepting this award. There are so many people I'd like to thank, but I'll keep it short. I'd like to thank Vinesh sir, Sushma ma'am, Sushmita ma'am, Vandana ma'am, my other professors, my fellow batchmates, my friends, and my mentors in the industry for guiding me throughout this graduation. I, and I'm sure my entire batch would agree with me, we would have loved to be physically present for our graduation ceremony. Regardless, I had a complete ball at NIFT. Thank you once again for this award.
We are very thankful to industry members who have always been supportive of providing their expertise as a part of expert session, guidance on the classroom project, internship, graduation project and placement. Industry experts are requested to share a few words of valuable feedback to the graduating students for their future journey. I would like to extend my warm welcome to Mr. Salim Arif, a very known name in the field of Indian theatre and film. Mr. Vikram Bawa, fashion photographer. I would request our industry guests to give a message to students and share their experience with the graduating students.
NIFT, or National Institute of Fashion Technology, has started some very interesting courses for the last few years, and fashion communication is one of them. It is using ideas and elements of fashion into communication and gives a very broad-based understanding to a student of the elements of fashion which can be applied and used in communication very effectively.
Hi everyone, this is Vikram Singh Bawa. Huge congratulations to the FC department of NIFT Kharghar. It's been a pleasure being a part of this journey with you since you started out so many years back. I've come there so many times. It's been a pleasure to mentor so many of the children, interact with the professors, be a part of the campus, and I'm sure many years to come, many projects to do, many achievements to be done, and I would love to be a part of it for the future, and all the best to you guys.
Thank you all for your valuable feedback. Department made clips of the batch memories. I request to play the video. I would request our students of graduating batch, Arushi Garg and Risha Bhosle, to kindly share their journey of 4 years.
Greetings to all. I am Risha Bhosle, graduating from NIFT Mumbai with a specialization in fashion communication. Right from day one, the orientation day itself, NIFT Mumbai was so much more than I ever expected it to be. whether it was getting a chance to become a class representative throughout my 4 years here, which helped me shape my professional personality, to being part of Converge 2017 and interacting with other NIFTians across India, which made me realize the gravity of what NIFT as an institute stands for. The atmosphere at NIFT Mumbai was very conducive for us to let our creativity flow in its purity and rawness without being afraid of judgment or limitations. The Fashion Communication Department helped us shape so many skills that I successfully employed during my graduation project. Right from photography and videography to graphic design and UI UX design, publication design and social media management as well. Ikigai talks about the reason for being, a sweet spot where what you love, what the world needs, what you are good at and what you can be paid for all intersect organically. For this, I'm grateful to NIFT Mumbai for making this possible for me. Today, as I stand on the cusp of my educational and professional life, I stand proudly as a graduate of NIFT.
Good morning, I'm Arushi Garg, a fashion communication graduate from NIFT Mumbai. So truth be told, I was miserable in the first few months of college. I literally packed all my bags and ran away, only and only to come back and make the fondest of memories. We painted the surrounding walls, made life-size installations, celebrated festivals, laughed, cried, and enjoyed each day to the fullest. I'm highly indebted, especially to the Fashion Communication Department, to mold me into a more confident and responsible designer. It is only because of them that I got opportunities at great companies like the Times of India, Harper's Bazaar, the Fashion Design Council of India and Cosmopolitan. I did my graduation project at Cosmopolitan, and from fashion styling to graphic design to art direction to trend forecasting, I covered most of the fashion communication branches. So as a whole, NIFT taught me how to be mindful, how to be observant, how to inspire and get inspired, and also NIFT gave me an identity, and now I proudly call myself Arushi Garg, a fashion communication graduate from NIFT Mumbai.
As you know, learning is a process, it's never ending journey. I wish you all for future journey. I would like to request CAC NIFT Mumbai campus Dr. Professor Sushil Rathori sir to give a vote of thanks.
Respected Shri Shantamanu, IAS Director General NIFT, Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala, Director NIFT Mumbai, officers, faculty, staff, students and guests. It is my honor and joy to extend vote of thanks to all those who have contributed to make Virtual Graduation Show 2021 a grand success. On this occasion, we are privileged to have with us Shri Shantamanu, IAS Director General NIFT as Chief Guest. On the behalf of Director NIFT Mumbai and NIFT Mumbai faculty members, I would like to thank wholeheartedly Director General NIFT for gracing the occasion. Sir, all of us were highly motivated with your inaugural address, and I'm sure students and faculty will always remember your inspirational message. Thank you, sir. We are also thankful to Professor Dr. Vandana Narang, Dean NIFT, for guiding and inspiring NIFT faculty and nurturing academic activities. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank Director NIFT Mumbai Professor Dr. Pawan Godiawala for his continuous support and guidance in matters related to academic and academic administration. On behalf of all the faculty, officers, staff and students, we would like to thank you for your support and guidance. I also take this opportunity to thank all our stakeholders, the industry partners, alumni, guest faculty, sponsors, professionals from other organizations, international faculty, NIFT Mumbai faculty, officers, staff, students who are associated with NIFT Mumbai in various capacity for their support in making this event successful. Before I end, dear students and parents, I would like to congratulate you all on the accomplishment of this achievement, and I wish you a great professional success and fulfillment of your dreams. God bless you all. Thank you.